helicopter. Blue wing. I prefer airplanes more, but helicopters are awesome because you can have more design. And does this one have a good design? I've seen better, but this is a very good one. This is reporting live, so you better listen. The helicopter's flying right, up, down, still going right. There's Kevin Jensen, the flyer. Kevin Jensen. Look for him and his brothers. Jerry Jensen and Darren Jensen. Or just look up Jerry and Darren. Okay, and look at that. Have you seen the sticker on the side? If you haven't, you're missing out. Oh, wow. It's a beautiful Harry. What? Good looking in shape. And beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. No bad day. Look at that. Can you see that orange? And look at the smoke. Look at that. Oh, the smoke is bluish gray color. Oh. It's raining out today. Look at the species. And then for furs. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Oh, yes, yeah. Yes, this is a specimen of great attitude. And very, very good color.